a lot of people don't use Pixel correctly. So we will be talking about Pixel. What is Pixel? Pixel defines who will see your ad and the quality of your order. Now, for example, I'm selling this product. I have a duster and I make an ad for dusters. Now, for example, dusters are only bought by people aged 20 to 25, right? But when I run this ad and my pixel is not trained, this ad will go to everyone from uh, any age, any gender, everyone will be seeing that ad. And I don't want that because people who are buying this are aged 20 to 25. So I have to make sure that my ad goes to the people who will buy this, right? So what happens when your pixel is trained, your ad goes to the people who will buy it and your conversion rate becomes better. So first, maybe if 100 people saw your ad, maybe no one bought it because wrong people, they don't want to buy it. But if 100 people who can buy and who want to buy a duster see your ad, your conversion becomes higher. Maybe you get 5 or 6 or 7 orders from that ad. So make sure that your pixel is trained. What is quality of order and why is it important? Let's take a look. So you have to train your pixel to get your right customer, as I explained right now. Just make sure that you're training it on one niche. If you're trying a new category, use a fresh pixel. It takes time to train your pixel. Limit your pixel to one category. If you're using a new category, make sure you're using a new pixel. And pixel does not mean that you're using a pixel for one product. You're using a pixel for one niche. For example, beauty products. Use pixel for beauty products. You can use different products in it, but don't go on to a different category. For example, you've trained it on beauty products and now you're selling children toys. The same pixel won't work. It'll get confused. So pixel, what will pixel do? It'll get you better category of customers, targeted category of customers, and better conversion. This is why pixel is very important.